Today on the DI, we're going to be putting on a pair of bowling shoes and grabbing a lane for someone.
Hey, who threw that?
Anyways, we're going to be playing Pro-Bowling, a BBS Door game by Mike Wilson today. So let's head over to the lane and play 10 frames. The ANSI graphics for the lane are simple but well laid out, and the controls are very simple. You use the 8 and 2 on the 10 keypad to move the ball up and down, and then the spacebar to throw the ball down the lane. There is a chance your ball will hook and veer off course every time you throw the ball. And once you aim the ball, press the spacebar to fire it off down the lane. Now if you select the middle of the lane, you will get a strike every time unless the ball veers off course. I quickly play through all the frames and finish out my game. So let's go over the likes and dislikes. 1. Positive, able to select your ball's starting position. 2. Negative, no control over the hook of the ball. 3. Positive, easy gameplay. 4. Positive, animated game action. So in conclusion, the DI's final verdict is 2.5 out of 5 stars. Pro-Bowling isn't a terrible game, but I feel like I would have played it only a few times, then moved on to another door game to play. So this covers another door game from the past, and thank you all for joining me today. Be sure to stop by soon for more videos. And until then, Digital Infinity, out.